Dina, blow your cake. Oh, cake there. Your candle there. Wish. Yay.
Hi guys, may dumating ako na parcel. Tsaka buksan ko to. I think this is I ordered gagamitin ko na lang siya guys. Ayokong magupit yung si Steve nakakuha nito kasi I went to Ate Virginia's event. Ooh, oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god! And you know what it is? It's a jacket. Yellow jacket I ordered from eBay, Philippines. Oh my god, I'm really happy. Mama's favorite color, yellow. I really love this, guys, so much. Wow. Alright. Wow, I like it. I like it a lot. Thank you. Bye-bye, Susu. Have a great day. Sobrang tuwa ko talaga, guys. I really love this. Just wanna say that. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm gonna unbox now the package that I got. Steve got it because I was at work and I just arrived from work. So let's see what's inside, guys. Nothing ito. Ba't ang dami-dami? I don't know how to start. I'll be back, right? Guys, ito yung kaninang umaga. Ito yung unang nakuha kong package from Philippines. Order ko ito, scribble flag. Yellow, unisex. This is size medium. Buti na lang medium in order ko kasi large sana gusto ko. Malaki pala siya na na medium kasi unisex. Ano siya? At ito din i-try ko to guys, okay? Swimsuit na whole body. Yung hindi maklaro yung tummy mo. At saka itong dalawang pangloba pag mag-volleyball ako. Panglob na dalawang something. At ito, nagkamali ako ng size guys. Gusto ko pa naman, ganda-ganda ako sa boots na to. Super lambot na stretchable. Ang ganda ang haba niya. Kaso maliit ang size 38. Akala ko 38 is 38 kasi ako. Kaso hindi pala ako 38 sa size na binilan ko. Dapat pala 40. 42, 41. Yes guys. So I really love it. But ibigay ko na lang ito kay Stevie George. Kaya, order na ako ng size higher. So, cut ko lang ito guys. I'll be back. Guys, dumating na rin yung uniform namin for the next league season of volleyball. At dumating na yung uniform namin. This is PIL. Supposed to be PIL Multicultural Association, but it's alright. Strikers. So, my number is 31. Makikita niyo ba dyan? Yung makikita niyo ba? Baliktad yata yung but it's alright. So, I will ko dito, tahiin ko masyado malaki sa balikat. But it's right. And we have to do our best, guys. So, see you next league. And, yeah, I'll be back. Hi guys, I'm back. Ito yung uniform namin sa volleyball. Ito yung uniform namin sa volleyball sa akin. May banner kami. May banner. Phil Multicultural Strikers. At ito kay Steve. Kasi siya mag-sponsor sa amin. At ito kay Ferlin. Ayusin ko lang ito guys. At all in all, gusto ko siya guys. Yung lang maliit ang yung boots na nabili ko. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. And I hope you have a good night. As I said earlier, karating ko lang sa work. So, meron akong wine. Just a little taste. Yes, I just finished that and I'm good. So thanks for watching guys. Subscribe if you like, comment if you like, share if you like, if you just like, alright? And I'm wearing my bangs kasi gusto ko talaga to siya. Yes. And yun lang guys. Happy birthday to Vilma. It's Vilma's birthday. I will attach the pictures of Vilma, my sister. She's the one who's watching Mama, and also Noel is taking care of Mama. And so I'm gonna attach Vilma's birthday pictures, and Kumari Katilo is the one taking video, so I will attach. Thank you, Kumari, and yes, and have a good day, and God is good all the time. Tingnan mo likod ko, ang dami-dami kong yung mga hindi ko pa ito nabubuksan, yung mga binili ko na hindi ko naman yata kailangan, but anyway, I have a box to send, so yeah. So that's all for today guys, and hope everything is okay with you, and I'll see you when I see you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Madam Banks, aka Maxita Love Australia, aka Madam Banks at your service, and Madam Banks is signing off. Bye. Not yet. Bye. Char. Bye.
Sa'yo, naway tuwing birthday mo, ikaw ay maligaya, katulad ngayon, mukha mo'y masaya, sana'y marami pang birthday ang abutin mo. Happy, happy birthday sa'yo. Maligayang bating sa'yo. We are here to greet you on your natal day. We are one to sing you a birthday round the lane. It's your happy birthday. We are happy to